Good morning. Welcome to our webinar. We are going to discuss today our PlaySafe 65 black EPDM and our PlaySafe color-coded EPDM. Stacy today will be helping me with a presentation. She'll be asking questions, which will be, for me, giving you informative information. We are very proud to be associated with Fleck Manufacturing. They are located in Lima, Ohio. It's a great spot, great location for distribution. You as a contractor always are worried about the unit price of the material. But the second and most costly factor could be your freight component. Where Lima, Ohio is located, it serves by rail. We can do intermodal quite easily. We can do flatbeds, vans, any type of transportation that suits your requirements. We can distribute our product economically throughout North America. With freight becoming very expensive with fuel these days, this year we're expecting a 30% increase. Where Lima, Ohio is located, it's a great place to get your product from. We have sufficient warehouse space to warehouse 2 fields at any given time. So you don't have to wait on a continuous basis for your product. We look at 5 days to 10 days standard from the time of order to the time you receive your product. If we're getting our product, say, from Europe or out of Asia, which we used to do at one time, it would take 8 weeks from the time of order to get to North America. And now with COVID, we have congestion at the ports on both sides of the continent. As you can appreciate, we are made in the USA, and a lot of government specifications are stating we want product only made in the USA. So we're proud of Fleck Manufacturing. Stacy, I'm going to ask you to join in and ask me some questions, please.
Perfect. Thank you, John. The first question I have, John, is what is the predominant sizing of the 2 products?
The predominant sizing is very similar to chrome rubber. We did a lot of studies on the product before we started making it. The 10-18 mesh is typical of what chrome rubber is used. Chrome rubber is typically the most common used product in the marketplace. The 10-18 that we are supplying both in the black and in the colored is designed in such a way that has an angular particles, which means it locks in well on the field. When we look at our product, we look at pounds per cubic foot, and we are at 30 pounds per cubic foot, and chrome rubber is at 30 pounds per cubic foot on average. When we look at mixed designs for fields, they look typically for chrome rubber, 50% sand, 50% chrome rubber. In this case, with our product, we look at the same mix design. We're thrilled with this because people are saying, why do we want chrome rubber if we can have a substitute that works equally as well and the formula is basically the same? So when people look at our product, they can't tell the difference. It looks like chrome rubber, but it's not. Stacy.
Thank you, John. John, there's a great concern over heavy metals. Can you tell us your thoughts on this, please?
Heavy metals have been a real issue in the last 10 years, particularly lead. Lead has been a forefront in the industry. With our product, we have very little metals to none. We have done the total metals and we've done the leachates. It's on our website, and you can see through our testing that we actually pass quite easily for both. Our product is second grade, second down from hospital grade. It's very safe for anyone to use this product and to play on this product. We're very concerned. So our metals that we have are very little. If you were comparing this, say, from chrome rubber, for instance, tires from automobiles come from all over the world. from Europe, from Japan, from Mexico, and there's no control on the metals. We have control with our product. We know it is outstanding for longevity for the owner, the contractor, and everyone that uses our product. Stacy.
Great, thank you, John. Did both the products meet the FIFA UBA 5,000 hour testing, and what kind of results did you achieve with the Lisport 20,000 cycle testing?
We had to do some extensive testing regarding FIFA. They wanted the 5,000 UVA testing, and also the World Rugby Association wanted the same with Lisport. We are proud to say that with both tests, we were well under. From the beginning of our product, when you look at it, till the end of the product, you can see very little difference in the color. There's very little degradation with both tests. So we have passed extremely well. And there's no concerns with degradation and the coating. Stacy.
Thanks, John. What type of coating is applied to the color-coded EPDM?
Before we started actually looking at coatings, we wanted to examine what coating do we actually apply to our product. We looked at acrylics, and we looked at urethanes, and we looked at epoxies. We felt with the urethanes, they would have the strongest adherence to our product for longevity of the use of our system. I happen to be on the board of NACE, National Association of Corrosion Engineers, and Steel Structural Painting Council. So I do have a background in coatings. And I felt that a urethane coating would be the very best suited for this product. BASF, a well-known company in the United States, have designed their urethane that matches to our virgin EPDM. That's why with the Lisport test and with the UVA 5000 testing, it has proven out the way it has. And this is all based on the urethane coating that BASF has designed for our company.
Great, thank you. Next question, John, is architects and engineers often request a virgin EPDM. Are both the PlaySafe 65 and the color-coded EPDM virgin material? And what is the difference with a recycled non-virgin EPDM?
Our company is always concerned with liabilities. It's a big issue in the industry. And we wanted something that would be clean and safe for the environment. A virgin EPDM manufactured by Fleck Manufacturing, there has to be a certain percentage of the EPDM to be used in the product with fillers. When you take a recycled product, it comes either out of the window industry or the car industry, and there's no control on the metal side, there's no control on the odor side, there's no control on the dust side, and therefore our company with Fleck Manufacturing decide, no, we want virgin, and that's the best route to go, and we're very proud of that. Some companies actually go out and try to market a virgin EPDM with a mixture of recycled EPDM. The solution is not the dilution. You need to have 100% EPDM that's clean and virgin, not a combination of a recycled and EPDM virgin. Stacey.
Thanks, John. John, can you please explain the QC program?
Yes. Again, you, the contractor, are looking for the longevity, and you're looking at us to make sure that we supply you a quality product. And that's forefront in our thinking. So we have, with Fleck Manufacturing, have created a specification for QC programming. So each job does receive a screen analysis for each project. So the superintendent on the site receives it. We have it in our office. So let's say in 2 years, somebody phones up and say, hey, we have an issue with your EPDM. We can go back and we can have a look at it and say, yeah, we have met all the qualifications when it comes to the screen analysis. I do know that Brian Fleck, the owner of Fleck Manufacturing, during the year, they will actually do tests on the amount of EPDM mixed in with their product. We also review the coating that we're putting on the product on a yearly basis. All the bags that go out, and all bulk bags, are all labeled properly. So there's no misunderstanding when it goes to the job site, that the owner can see what he's getting, the contractor, the contractor can see what he's getting. It is well distinguished.
Thanks, John. John, how will these materials perform in climates that are either extremely hot or very cold, or if they're subjected to a great deal of moisture or wind?
We've done a lot of testing on this, and we've looked at weather, and that's a very important part of why this product should be used. If you're talking a hot climate, let's say Australia, for instance, which is one of the hottest continents in the world, this product we have tested and does not conglomerate at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So look at, there's not going to be any job out there that's going to go above that temperature. So we're proud to say that. I live in a moist climate. Today it's pouring rain, it's like monsoons out there. And the East Coast experience is the same. We don't have our product floating. It's heavier than water. Specific gravity is over 1. So therefore, we know in the moist conditions, you do not have to worry about it. When you talk at cold climates, such as in northern Canada, we did a job out of Denver, Colorado about 5 years ago, and we have no problems with the problem under freezing conditions. So have a product that's a leader in the marketplace, can take all types of weather, and if you have wind conditions, and we have a house down in the Palm Springs area, it's a desert climate, has lots of wind, and we have a small little area that has synthetic turf, and we have our product there, and it doesn't blow away. It stays for a long period of time. Stacy.
Thanks, John. And John, what's the warranty for the PlaySafe 65?
The warranty is really, really important. Typically, every company, when they go out and sell their product, everybody's happy. Everybody's happy about the price, getting it on site, everything goes away. But if there is an issue out there, then everybody goes into the corners and get their lawyers. We're not interested in that. So we went to Fleck Manufacturing, to Brian. We said, Brian, we need to know what the warranty and how we can look at this to protect TTII and our customers for the long term. Quikrete, a very large privately held company in Atlanta, has reviewed the warranty in detail. And yes, we really truly can stand behind our product. Warranties are just a warranty, and we offer a 10-year warranty, and we know, in my opinion, from my 49 years coming up in the industry, this product will last not for one cycle, I'm sure it'll last for a couple of cycles. That reduces your price for the long-term range. Therefore, with all our testing, when we've done the UVA testing, Lisport testing, heavy metal testing, leachate testing, we have such a series of tests that we have done exhaustively. We can stand behind this product with pride. I would like to thank you today for all your support listening to me. We're gratified with our product. We have an excellent supplier that stands behind their product. We stand behind our product. We know you'll have many years of satisfaction using our products, both the black and the coated colored EPDMs. Thank you again. And if you wish to ask any questions, please do not hesitate. And please visit our website, ttiionline.com. We will have this presentation on our website within the next 72 hours. Again, thank you for your valued time and your support with TTII.